What the fuck is up, Goon Squad? Today, snack challenge. See this? Because I can't. See this? The snack I wasn't allowed to have it as a child because of the high fructose corn syrups and added sugars. If you know me, you already know it's about to happen. If you like had my brain and dreamt of this concept, you would understand. I'm lobsters. Here is our canvas. Here is the title fruit roll up. And this is like, I'm making a chamoy pickle, except it doesn't have disgusting pickle inside. Packet of gushers. Ábrelo. Oh, and guess this bag is rainbow edition. Pop your pussy. This is gonna be so delicious. And after you smelt all the fumes of the red 40, the blue 1, yellow 5s and 6, then you can commence to roll back up your roll up from its original state of equilibrium. If one falls out,
oh my god.
I love gushers because they gush. This is the smartest idea I've ever had. Brain break. This is the concoction that I have created. Let's freaking dig in. Very sticky. I think it's good. 9 out of 10. There you go.